The exhibition of photographs displaying the biodiversity of Laos attracted huge crowd. The organizers said such eye-catching event aims to raise awareness of the need to protect biodiversity in Laos.
Welcome, dear friends, tonight.
The being held an exhibition of photographs from September 26 to October 10th at the Institut Français de Laos, or IFL, aims to raise awareness of the need to protect biodiversity in Laos. In collaboration with the Agence Universitaire de la Francophonie, the Institute of Research for Sustainable Development, Durable, or IRD, is organizing the two-week event exhibition of photographs at the Institut Français de Laos, or IFL, from September 26 to October 10th, showing the biodiversity of Laos as quite rare items that viewers may have never seen it before.
โดยปกติแล้วน้องถ่ายรูปเกี่ยวกับนกประเภทนก
The photographs are the work of two enthusiast citizen scientists, Nathaniel Murray and Somjit Sudawan, and their students.
มักนกหลายกว่าเป็นสัตว์ที่ว่าหายากเอายากมันอยู่บนสูง
มีโอกาสได้มาเรียนรู้ทักษะถ่ายรูปตัวนี้เนาะเพราะว่ามันเฮ็ดให้น้องได้เห็นความงามของสัตว์
Some of the photographs on display are the results of a focus stacking photography workshop. This technique produces stunning images that reveal unsuspected details of the subject photographed.
I am Sabrina Locatelli, the representative of IRD, which is the Institute of Research for Sustainable Development, and we're here today to admire the photographs of Nathanael and Somchit on the biodiversity of Laos as you have never seen it before.
Yeah, it's very important in Laos that people start to understand how rich they are in biodiversity. You know that many countries know very well Costa Rica because Costa Rica is very high biodiversity. But if we just look for reptiles and amphibians, we have more here. But nobody knows it.
It is said that almost 80% of Laos is predominantly mountainous, with cultivated floodplains found along some reaches of the Mekong River and the larger tributaries.
So by taking picture of them and showing it to the world, I can show that nature is beautiful, and in Laos the biodiversity is so high. And Lao people should take it for what is it. It's rich, and they should show it to the world, and people can come travel to see the biodiversity in Laos.
The country has an abundance of natural resources, namely water, mineral deposits, and forests, which covers more than 40% of its total land surface.
คนทั่วไปเฮาสิเป็นคนที่ว่ายานสัตว์เนาะเวลาเบิ่งมันคือแบบหายแต่ว่าเวลาเฮาใกล้ชิดหรือว่าอยู่นำมันหลายเฮาสิเห็นความงามและซึมซับกับมันหลายขึ้น
Laos is one of the most biodiverse places in the world with ongoing discoveries of new species.
เป็นคนมักธรรมชาติฮักสิ่งแวดล้อมแล้วก็ถ่ายรูปเรียนรู้เทคนิคแบบนี้แล้วก็ที่จะเอาไปนำใช้พัฒนาแล้วก็ที่สำคัญก็คือมันมักเกี่ยวกับการอนุรักษ์สัตว์ป่า
This great biodiversity of wildlife exists thanks to the Lao PDR abundance of forests and water resources, which cover the entire length of the country. These habitats are home to many rare and endangered species, some of which are now extinct in some parts of the world, but are still found in the Lao PDR.
Because the biodiversity in Laos is very rich, but is unknown to the public, is unknown to the Lao people, and is unknown to the outside people. And it's very rich, and it's worth protecting. It's worth knowing, and so this is an occasion to reach the public about the beauty of biodiversity in Laos.
Laos is also home to one of the greatest genetic pools of glutinous rice varieties in Asia, and places in northern Laos, along with some parts of the northern Myanmar and Yunnan province in China, are the origins of all tea trees in the world. This range of biodiversity in our current global environment of diminishing species is a treasure and should be a source of power and strength for the Lao people and future generations.